Hi, this is Ajay. If anyone new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to explain about passing the data from parent to child. How the data will be passed from parent to child using @input tag. If anyone new to Angular and anyone new to my channel, please follow the previous videos. And first of all, using the command nggc, ng for Angular, g for generate, c for component, create a parent component. Skip tests if you do not need spec.ts file, and create another component nggc child skip tests. In this way, you can able to create multiple components using Angular CLI. As you can observe, there is two folders has been created to me, parent and child. Let's look into parent component.ts. We have a selector, we have an component, it's a direct decorator. Sorry. In the selector, we have app parent, and same with the child component.ts, we have selector app child. Now, in the routing, give it as path is empty component parent component. Now go to your browser. By default, if the path is empty, parent components will get loaded. Now, again, go back to the parent component.ts, declare a message, parent message, its data type is string, empty. Now, as time being, I'm copy pasting the HTML, whatever I have. If you want to see the HTML, I will share you the GitHub repository. In this HTML, I have declared a ng model, where ng model gives us a flexibility of two-way binding. Here I have given a parent message. So whenever I entered a parent message, my task is to whenever I entered in this text box, the data should able to bind in child component. This is what my task is, sharing the data from parent to child. We will look into this output at this particular instant. I have a parent component. Remove this unnecessary heading. I have a parent component. Now, for styling purpose, I have defined some styling in order to differentiate between the parent and child. Now we can observe a single line, a vertical line has been embedded here. Now, first of all, what we have done in the parent component, we have declared a parent message as a string. In the HTML path, we have given a ng model parent message, and that's it, input per type. Now come back to child component.ts file. Here declare @input and give it as child message, or simply give it as message is to string. Now print this child message using two-way binding. Here message from parent is. Go back to here and in the curly braces, copy the variable. Now my expected output screen is whenever I entered something in here in the parent component, the child component should enter, but it is not happening. The reason is I haven't even called child component in the parent component. Let's go back to the parent component.html. In the div section, this is the line where my vertical line, this is my form, this is for parent form, this is for child form. Here give app child. This selector is coming from child component.ts here. In case to avoid spelling mistakes, copy paste directly here. Now go back to child component.ts, copy this message string and come to parent component.html and declare a property type, and from our parent component.ts file, copy our parent message string and paste it in the double quotes. Now what we have done till now, we are sending data from parent message to, we are sending data to message in the child component. As you can observe, this is how data is passing from parent to child. You need to use this selector in your parent component.html. Message is a property belongs to child component and parent message belongs to parent component.ts file. Now go back to the browser once. As you can see this, parent component and child works. In case if we want to be strict, we will replace this as a child component. Give it as a child and see this child component. Now my expected output is whenever I enter something in the parent message text box, the child should be able to print it. Ajay's, as you can see, Ajay's Angular. When I am clearing it, you can strictly observe that the data is getting cleared. Whenever I am doing change in here in the parent component, the child is getting affected. This is how you pass the data between parent to